Hello, how do you solve this exponential problem? This is 9 power x equals 900. Solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. So now I can apply natural log, or let me take log. I have log of 9 power x equals log of 900. Now if you have log a power b is equals b times log a. Applying this right here, you have x times log 9 equals log 900. And from here, you have x times log 9 equals this 9 log 900. I can have it as log 9 times 100. Now, if you have log a times b, this equals log a plus log b. Applying this right here, I'll have x times log 9 equals log 9 plus log 100. So the next thing is I can express 9 as 3 power 2 of x times log 3 power 2 equals log 3 power 2 plus log 100. I can express it as 25 times 4. So remember, the 2 here will come behind this. We have 2x times log 3 equals, this comes behind this. We have 2 times log 3 plus this. We apply this, that will be log 25 plus log 4. That's log a times b as log a plus log b. So from here, I'll have 2x times log 3 equals 2 times log 3 plus log 25, 5 is 5, 25 is 5 power 2 plus log 4 is 2 power 2. Remember, the 2 here will come behind this, and this come behind this. So from here, we have 2x times log 3 equals 2 log 3 plus 2 log 5 plus 2 log 2. Right? So this is 3. What do? I need to isolate 2x, so I divide this by log 3. And divide this by log 3. Log 3, okay, not yet. Let me divide each of them by the common denominator. Let's cancel this. I have 2x equals 2 log 3 divided by log 3 plus 2 log 5 divided by log 3 plus 2 log 2 divided by log 3. This cancel this. I have 2x equals 2 plus 2 log 5 divided by log 3 plus 2 log 2 divided by log 3. Now, if you have log a divided by log b, this equals log a to the base of b. So we apply that here and here. That means I'm simply going to have 2x equals 2 plus 2 log 5 to the base of 3 plus 2 log 2 to the base of 3. So let's isolate x by dividing this by 2 and dividing this by 2. So 2 cancel 2, we have x equals, this is 2 plus 2 times log 5 to the base of 3 plus 2 times log 2 to the base of 3 divided by 2. So from here, x equals 2 divided by 2, let's divide by common denominator, plus 2 times log 5 to the base of 3 divided by 2 plus 2 times log 2 to the base of 3 divided by 2. So from here, we have x equals 2 divided by 2 is 1, plus, let's cancel this, we have log 5 to the base of 3 plus, let's cancel this, we have log 2 to the base of 3. Now, let's consider, is our answer? Let's consider checking if this particular answer will satisfy the equation. We have check. We have x equals 1 plus log 2 to the base of 5 plus log 3 to the base of log 2 to the base of 3. Right? Let me confirm the solution because I've not actually copied it out. Okay, log 5 to the base of 3 and log 2 to the base of 3. So it's rather log 5 to the base of 3 and log 2 to the base of 3. Alright, now we have gotten it. So we check this is 9 power x equals 900, 9 power 1 plus log 5 to the base of 3 plus log 2 to the base of 3 equals 900. So what are we going to do? If you have a power x plus y plus z, this equals a power x times a power y times a power z. We apply that here. We have 9 power 1 times 9 power log 5 to the base of 3 times 9 power log 2 to the base of 3 equals 900. So 9 power 1, that is 9 times this, we can express it as 3. This is 3 power 2 times log 5 to the base of 3 because 3 power 2 is 9. Or let me put the bracket here. This is 3 power 2 times log 5 to the base of 3 times. This is 3 power 2 times 9 again. Log 2 to the base of 3, and this equals 900. So we have 9 times 3. This comes over here. This is 2 log 5 to the base of 3 times 3 power. This is 2 log 2 to the base of 3 equals 900. So if you have a times log b, this equals log b power a. This will come on top of this, and this will come on top of this. So we have 9 times, this is 3 power log 5 power 2 to the base of 3 times 3 power log 2 power 2 to the base of 3 equals 900. So from here, I have 9 times 3 power log 25 to the base of 3 times 3 power log 4 to the base of 3 equals 900. Now, if you have a power log b to the base of 8, this is b, right? So this is 25 and this is 4. So we have 9 times 25 times 4 is it equals 900. Now what you should know is that 25 times 4 is 100. 100 times 9, this is 900 and this equals 900. So this means that our answer is correct and we have proven it. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.